Heading to the BRA Christmas party wasn't an easy decision. For someone like me, meeting new people, going to unfamiliar places, and socialising in large groups can feel overwhelming. Anxiety has this way of whispering doubts, convincing you that staying home is the safer, easier option. But deep down, I knew I genuinely enjoy being around these people. They're kind, welcoming, and share the same passion for riding. I reminded myself that this wasn't just about showing up, it was about making more friends and building meaningful connections.
G'day.
What's going on, mate?
Oh, living the dream, you know.
I'm going to line all the bikes up and get photos when they get here. Go!
How are you? Good.
Great to see that something that, you know, the early birds of us created is still going really well and growing really well. So well done to everyone involved, because, you know, it's just a good part of the world to be part of.